Today we're going to give you a brief introduction and demo of a new bench model dough divider that Dutchess Baker's Machinery has come up with. This is a, we call it a BMIH-9SQ. The SQ refers to the square pieces that it cuts. It'll do 9 pieces and weights ranging from a low of 5 ounces up to 23 ounces each piece. Those weights are going to cover many different rolls, breads, and specifically pizzas. So this is the main reason we made it. We're going to go through the operation procedure for you today. And we have a couple of pieces of dough already scaled here. We have a 9-pound piece and a 12-pound 2-ounce piece, I believe, here. This is going to give us 9 1-pound pieces, and these are going to be up near the maximum of 23 ounces each piece. We have a complete dough scaling chart in the manual that comes with the machine, and it gives all kinds of examples in 1-ounce increments from the smallest to the largest. As you'll notice, these pieces, we kind of formed them to a square shape because we're going to be trying to press this dough into square corners of the pan, and so we want to make it as easy as possible. You know, typically in the baking industry, everything is worked with round. And the softer the dough that you're working with, the easier that'll be. The stiffer dough, then it's going to be a little bit more important that you get the pieces fairly square shaped. This dough here is a Vienna dough. It's a very heavy, dense dough that we typically use for hard pressed rolls, sub rolls, and French bread. And because of that, I took a little extra effort and tried to scale them to and shape them to a square shape. I'm just going to put a little bit of flour in here to keep the dough from sticking. Place my dough in here, and I'm just going to knuckle it out so it fills the bottom of the pan as well as I can. Slide the pan into the machine. When it's new, it's going to be a little bit tougher, but eventually that'll break in. Now, as with any other dough divider, I'm going to bring the handle down, I'm going to squeeze it, I'm just going to hold the pressure for a few seconds. After that point, I'm just going to relax the pressure slightly, push the trim lever, and go into my cut. When I pull the pan out here now, I've got 9 1-pound pieces. Now, in some doughs, you'd be able to actually take this smaller piece, obviously, and make a square roll for a ciabatta roll. So that's another bonus for this particular machine. So there's 9 1-pound pieces. Now we're going to do something up a little bit more towards the max. And a lot of dough here. Again, I'm going to knuckle it out, try to fill the corners. Place the pan in the machine. When I'm pressing and holding this, I can actually see the dough because of the transparency of the plugs. And so I'm looking at that and I'm making sure that it's filling out to the corners because I want to have equal sized portions, and that's the key to it. You don't have to hold it as long as I am, but once you see that all those corners and spaces are filled, you can go ahead and relax the pressure. You're not going to see much movement here. Relax it and go into the cut. Just like that, we have 9 23-ounce pieces. Look at that. All nice and cleanly cut. Nice individual pieces. There's some advantages to this if you're going to be hand rounding them. You're starting all with them with the same shape, or if you're going to run them through some type of a molder to form a round loaf, it's got a real nice natural shape to it. So anyhow, that's our Dutchess BMIH-9SQ. It's available March of 2016.